everybody, this is Naomi. I am here today. I've just become a team member of Haystack Creations with Tabitha Haynes. We are going to be working with this beautiful vintage springtime junk journal kit. I haven't cut any of my ephemera apart, and I do this because once you cut it out, it's hard to show it. So I want you to be able to see this beautiful kit before it's ever touched. So this is just your cover sheet, and there's a lot of things that you could do with just the cover sheet alone. I mean, you can cut out just partial images and use them in the journal. You can make a collage page with it. So, okay, here is our first page, and it definitely spells springtime and vintagey, which I like. The sewing alone takes me back to my childhood days. Kind of made me miss my grandmother whenever I opened this kit and started printing it out. But we'll talk about that a little bit further. And the beautiful flowers. I love these flowers. And the bird, the blue jay. Well, that's not really a blue jay. It's a blue bird. And then the music in the background. I'm not sure what kind of language that is. But beautiful pages. But I love the way that she made the images fade off into the background. I wish I knew how to do this. I don't know how. Maybe in time. But beautiful pages. And then this one here. How she made just the bluebird stand out. I mean, the pages speak for themselves of how beautiful this kit is. See, here's another one where just certain images are in color and the rest of them are kind of faded into the background, which is pretty cool. And then you have the beautiful doily, the postcards, the flowery background with the music sheet over the top, the beautiful bird, and then the paper, just beautiful. And then we have this one with another little blue, with a yellow bird with some stacked up images. That looks like a file folder with an image coming out of it. That's what it is. And then you got these that are laid out. And then your beautiful background. I would probably say that's kind of like a wallpaper. They used to have wallpaper like that years ago. And then this one. This one made me think of my grandmother. Because we used to take all of the scrap materials after she would make a quilt and just kind of patch them together. And then you got what they called a patch quilt. And I still have mine from years ago. And I treasure it because she's been gone since I was 18 years old. So. And then you have this page with the doilies. And this, I would say, is like a lace that she's laid out. And isn't that pretty, though? And then we have this one, which she kind of made like a collage page. Just put 3 different music sheets with the birds. And then you got this one, which is all birds and flowers. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then we're going to come into the end. Nope, we got one more. And then we just got this coffee stained or tea stained paper. That's what it looks like. And then we start into the ephemera. Beautiful ephemera. So there's that one. And then we have the file folder. Got 4 different ones. And then this one is a pocket with its card. You can either use this card inside or this card inside. And then your tags, page tags. And then you have some flags. Then we have our tags, and I've copied this off twice. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I can't wait to play with it. I'm getting excited. So there's those. And then you have beautiful butterflies. Partial to butterflies. Grandma always said that if something happened to her and I ever seen a butterfly, that would be her with me. So, yeah, butterflies are my partial. Very partial to butterflies, but aren't they beautiful? I love the vintage paper. This would make a beautiful belly band. And then we have more postcards, more music sheets. That's I would say a dictionary page, and then just a page with flowers. Love the lady here. And the flowers, and then more stamps. And the words and more butterflies, and I printed this one out twice. Because I just love the images. And I like to have more words, that way if you use them more than once, you can. But then there's that, and then there's these tags. And I made 2 pages of the tags. I watched Tabitha the other night do a video with these tags, or tickets, excuse me. I'm calling them tags and her tickets. And she made like a cluster run of them. And I've never made a cluster. So this will be my first attempt. I made my tickets a little bit bigger than what was in the kit, because I have a hard time working with real small pieces due to my hands being so big. So I just blowed them up just a little bit. That way I will have an easier time working with the tickets. But I'm going to try Tabitha's ticket method. I'm going to have to go back and rewatch the video so that I can really see what she's doing. It was late last night whenever I was watching it, so I was partially asleep, partially awake, but I want to give it a whirl, so only time will tell. And I've already been playing with the kit. I printed up a couple of things beside the kit, and I made this matchbook notebook, and I'm sure this is one of their doilies, because I had won one of their prizes, and this is their prize that I had won. And I haven't taken it out of the bag because I didn't want to get it mixed up with what I already had and not be able to say, well, I got this from Haystack Creation, So I've kept it all together. So this way I can tell you what I got, who I got it from. But I made this, and it's just a little matchbook notebook. And then you have a pocket in here that you can put any random piece of paper, note, whatever in it. Just like this. If you had something you want to keep, you just put it in and shut it up, and it will stay in your book until you need it again. But all these images is part of the kit, because this is that patch kit, page, and I just printed it up on cardstock to make it a little stiffer. And then the bird and the egg nest is from the kit. And like I said, I'm sure this is from Haystack. And then I just have this. It's a Dollar Tree lace. And then I added a ribbon, inked it up a little bit to give it that little bit more vintagey look. Put this little girl on this background piece and called it done. But I will be back later to do another video. I'm going to be doing it on this to show you how I make it. It won't be the same video or the same booklet. It'll be a different one. And we'll go from there. So I hope everybody, and Tabby, thank you for letting me join the, be part of the team. And I hope everyone has a happy and blessed day. Thank you.